Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites: game version, multiplayer compatibility, and that you have mod or developer access. Once confirmed, back up your save and config files so you can revert if needed. Next, find the PCM asset, identify the exact file name and folder path. This avoids mismatches. Make sure file sizes match the host copy. Now transfer the PCM package into your game's mod or asset folder, so both you and the host will load the same resource. Once the file is placed, you need to sync and configure. You edit the game's mod list or asset registry so the PCM is recognized and set its load priority to avoid conflicts. Then ensure the host shares the same path and registry entry. Restart both client and host to force a clean load. Use the game's network sync or a verification tool to confirm the PCM is loaded by all players. If you see mismatched ID, recheck file names and load order. To finish, join the session and spawn the PCM module or car. Observe whether it appears identically for everyone. Test physics, collisions, and ownership transfer so interactions behave correctly. If the PCM doesn't show, first clear the game cache and restart both client and host, then re-verify file integrity. If problems persist, recheck load order and file name exactness. Make small, one change at a time edits so you can isolate the issue and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.